What is erection in construction? In construction, erection refers to the process of assembling and installing structural components to form a complete structure. This process typically involves lifting and placing components into position, then connecting them together. Erection is a critical stage in the construction process, as it is the point at which the structure begins to take shape. It is important to ensure that the erection process is carried out safely and accurately, as any mistakes can have serious consequences. The erection process can vary depending on the type of structure being built. However, there are some general steps that are typically involved. Foundations. The first step is to construct the foundations of the structure. This involves excavating the ground and pouring concrete footings or slabs. Columns. Once the foundations are in place, the next step is to erect the columns. This is typically done using a crane or hoist. Beams. The columns are then connected by beams. This is done using steel connectors or bolts. Decking. The beams are then covered with decking, which can be made of wood, steel, or concrete. Roof. The final step is to install the roof. This can be made of a variety of materials, such as metal, concrete, or shingles. The erection process can be a complex and challenging task, but it is essential for the successful completion of a construction project. By following the proper procedures and using the right equipment, the erection process can be completed safely and efficiently.